So I'm here in the coding den, right? I've got the den set up, but I never go outside. Is that a problem? Well, I don't want to go outside, but what I can do is interact with the outside world. Requests. Python requests. So this is how you do it. I'm going to talk about some Python requests. So what this is you are using your Python code to interact with the internet, to go get stuff. You see stuff on a blog, you want to go get that thing. You see something on Twitter, you want to go get that. You want to go get it. Go get it. So, and how we do that is we use the requests library. So this is very important. So maybe in the context of trading, you actually want to make a GET request to get the price of Bitcoin or the price of, or something like that. So we will show you how to do it. So easy. So you need to, you can do it in Nathan Python, but I love the requests library. So I would go for just installing this one here, right? It's real simple. Pip install requests, or I like UV, so just go pip add UV add requests. So don't worry about the code for now. Let's just get that done. So I'm here in the code, and what I'm going to do, UV add requests. So install that library real quick because we're using UV and it's all built in Rust and it's quick. It's quick. So damn fast. Damn fast. Cool. Now let's go back to this one, and now we've got this code here. So let's talk about it real quick. Can you see that? Yep. Now, we import the library, we define some URL, right? I'm guessing this is just some endpoint we can go to. I will actually test that out. So I'll copy that, put it in the browser, make a new tab, and oh, looks like it's unavailable. That is okay. Tell you what, let's go to let's make another one. So we could just go to let's go to Binance API docs. Now this is sort of here we go. Easy stuff. So this is kind of improv actually. So what I'm going to do is just make a GET request. And this is just me looking at the docs, and this is all part of being an algo developer. So you've got to learn how to do this. So let's go to API. Maybe we'll just follow the trail, see if that goes over here. Cool. So we want to look at REST API, and okay, so let's just, so this is live coding. I thought this would work, but it's okay. So we'll go back to the slides, which is actually here. I wrote this, so these I wrote up. So I'm going to just copy all that code there. Bang, bang, bang. Copy. Go to the requests file. Paste that in. Go down to the end. Tab it so it's nicely done. Easy. Cool. Get rid of all that. So how about we just run it, see what happens. It should say like 404 error or something, like page not found. Python, and it's called requests. Run it. So it's just like, nah, it's not happening. There's a connection error. Cool. So let's actually go to URL. So let's just go to changelog general information. So this is the base URL. Easy. So let's put that there. Yep. And then we also need to just call something there, right? Call something on Binance. So this is great because lots of times when you're doing code, sometimes the example doesn't work, and we're doing something on the fly. So what about this one? So I want to, would this work? Here, API depth, order book. Do we need a symbol? Yes. So what is an example of a symbol? Trades, historical trades. Get. Hold on. So parameters, response, recent trades list. Yes, but I need to know what the ticker looks like. Is it just BTC USDT? Would that be it? Is it BTC dash USDT? I don't know. Let's just try. Let's just do it. So what we're going to do is, I actually don't know the Binance symbol. So parameters, and the way you put in a parameter is you just do a little question mark and you say symbol, because here. So that's the name of the symbol, and you just go equals. Let's just hope it's BTC USDT. Let's hope it's like that in Binance. We'll go for it. Yep, and we get it. So I made a good guess. So when you see parameters, you just do this question mark and that. Now, if you wanted to put more parameters in there, you go and I think one of the parameters was limit. So you could specify how many results you want to get back, right? So that's just going to be, let's just say 50. No, let's just say 5. Let's say 5. Go down here, run it again. Cool, awesome. So what I've shown is some magical requests. So let me just go through it real quick. So what we're doing is we're just Importing the requests library. We specify some URL with parameters there. And then it's real simple. Just to make the get request, requests.get. Done. Easy. Easy. Now you'll get an object in the response, right? It'll return a response. And the status code will either be 200 or some error like 404, 401, all those kinds of things. And now if it's 200, which means it's a success, we convert the response to JSON, right? So that'll just be some dictionary. Now there's a few other things you can do. You can convert it to text, just like that. But when you're interacting with trading systems and things like that, here, so it's returned as a dictionary. And you had to know that before. If I was trying to escape a website or something like that, more than likely it would be text. But it is JSON there. And then we just print the JSON response, right? Easy. That's it. I'm going to keep this one fairly short, and I believe in the next one we'll try make a post request.